Hi, hello everyone. This is Prerna. I'm back again with few unboxing which was pending from the first part. So these are the few books which I will be unboxing in this second video, and there will be third part also hopefully if I receive those packets soon and it has some enough amount of books that I can do unboxing. Let's start unboxing quickly. Okay. Let's keep it like this so that you can see what I bought from the packets. Okay, we will do this next. In first part we unboxed 16 books. If you have not watched it, do watch it, because there I received few books from 62 rupees, 50 rupees, 42 rupees, like under 100. There were good books. So do check out that video also, and do let me know if you already watch it and how you like it. Okay, The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga. This book is adapted into a movie also by Priyanka Chopra is there. Okay, I received a dirty book, so definitely I'm going to replace it, but I'll tell you the price soon. The second book is The Magic. Okay, this one again dirty. I don't know what happened with this particular packet. Okay, I have to exchange it because it's quite, like, it's too dirty, man. I just can't keep such books. Otherwise the quality is good, but the dirt, oh my god, this I can't manage. So I'll tell you the price again. And The Fault in Our Star. Oh, hopefully, thank god it's not dirty. It's a little bit, but I can manage it. Quality is amazing. As I told you that I'm not a romance reader, but there are few books which I wanted to read. So let me just tell you the price. The Fault in Our Star MRP is 399 and I bought it for 198. Not a steal deal, but it's a good deal, because we don't get this book in a good discount. The Magic MRP is 499 and I bought it for 229. Yeah, actually the Magic also does not go down below 350, so that's the reason why I bought it in 229 actually. MRP is 499. The White Tiger MRP is 350 and I bought it for 174. So all of these book is around on 50% discount, which is a good discount because we don't get this book in this amount. No, let me know if you get these book in less than 50% discount. So yeah, this packet, oh my god, this is so tightly packed up that it's taking time to open and effort also. Oh, I don't want to open it like this, but I don't have any choice. Okay, it's bubble wrap also. I don't remember that which book it is. I just can't guess it. Still I can't guess it. Okay, that's the reason why I can't, because this is something new. The book I was not aware before, like I didn't get any recommendation for this book and didn't see it anywhere, but I'll tell you why I purchased it. Let me just open. Oh my god, look at the cover. This is I See You by Claire McIntosh. I hope this is how you pronounce her name. So why I purchased this book, because my first mystery thriller is from the same author, and that was I Let You Go. Initially I didn't like that book much. 2 or 3 times I DNF it, but the review and the appraise that book got was something very, I was very curious to read why everyone is praising so much. Although I DNF that book 2 or 3 times, so I decided to finish that book, and at the end I loved it. I loved that mystery thriller, so that's the reason why I purchased this book. When I saw there is some sale going on for this particular book, so I thought why not to purchase it. Sorry, I can't tell you the and how much I purchase it because there is no bill, but I'll mention it in comment section. Yeah, the book quality is great. You saw the packaging and look at the cover is amazing. Again, this book got some good comment and feedback, so I thought I'll try it. I'm sure I received it in a good deal, so that's the reason why I purchased it. MRP mention is $16, so I'll tell you the exact price of this book on Flipkart and in how much I purchased it in a comment section. Okay, so let's open the next packet. This is this. Okay. Here it is. The first book is The Best Couple Ever by Novanil Chakrabarti. Okay, India's most popular thriller writer. Oh, okay, so it's a thriller book, and I wanted to purchase few thriller also in the sale, so that's the reason why I bought it. MRP is 199, and I got it for 108. I don't think I would have bought this book in this price, so I'll check. Maybe Flipkart has mentioned some false MRP and then it shows some great deals, so that's why I bought it. Otherwise, a book with the MRP of 199 and I won't buy it in 108. Okay, so the next is Who Moved My Cheese? This one. MRP is 199 and I bought it for 104. This one I wanted to read, and I know there are so many self-help books which we don't get on good discount, so that's the reason why I purchased it. Okay, again we received 2 bookmarks with the book rating. So okay, let's move to the next box. Here it is. Oh, okay. I'll try to open it. No, we can't open it. Okay, this is something. How we open it? Okay. So, one bookmark. First is The Magic of Thinking Big. It's a bit damaged, but no issues, I'll manage it. The book is in good condition. It's an original book. MRP is 499 and I bought it for 248 rupees. Okay, the price was not going down so much, so that's the reason why I purchased it. This one is Death by Sadhguru. Again, I wanted to few more books from the Sadhguru, so that's the reason why I purchased this book. And also there are one more reason why I purchased this book, just to meet that buy 5 save 10%. I might have added few books in that cart. So MRP is 299 and I got it for 137, which is more than 50%. So yeah, it's a good deal. If we are getting more than 50%, then it's a good deal, because this time we were not getting like the book which we wanted to read, we were not getting on good deal. So that's the reason why 50% or 60% we bought the book. There are very few steal deal. I'll show you if we have something. Okay, in this part 2 we don't have much steal deal, because in part 1 I think we got few steal deals. Okay, this one is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. Yeah, so let me just quickly open it. The MRP is 199, and okay, this one is a steal deal. I got it for 52 rupees, and why not? If you are getting this amazing self-help book in 52 rupees or under 100 rupees, why not? Why we should not buy it? Oh, the packing is too tight. Oh my god. Okay, we can manage it. Yes, we safely unpacked it. Yeah, book is in good condition, good book, good discount, actually great discount. So here we are, and now the last box of this part 2. I'm so happy that I did unboxing for these books today, because these packets were in my room since a long time, and I only know how I was controlling to open it. Okay, so let's see what contains this last box. First is the book which I wanted to read since a very long time, and the price was not decreasing, so I could not buy it, and I am happy that I waited for this sale. Let's Talk Money by Monica Hullen. Book is bit defective from top, so we will see, but the condition is good. Book is original and seems a very good book to me. It's something like this. Okay, so good book, and MRP is 399, and I bought it for 189 rupees. So that's the reason why I purchased this book, because the price of this book I observe a complete whole year, like at least for 8 to 9 months, that the price was not going down. The minimum price which I saw was 250 rupees. So that's the reason why I purchased it in 198. And the book everyone is reading, everyone love reading, is Ikigai, and I wanted to read it since a very long time. And amazing book, a hardcover. I just can't believe that I received a hardcover. MRP is 550 rupees, and I got it for 213 rupees, and trust me, it's a good deal, because hardback is not the minimum price for hardback was 350 throughout the whole year. So that's the reason. Actually, most of the book which I purchased in this sale, I was observing from a long time, like not from 1 or 2 months. I was observing them from March or April. So I know that which book was not going below this price. So that's the reason why I purchased that book, if there is a minor difference also. And my first Jhumpa Lahiri book, The Namesake. Okay, I don't know, I heard mixed review about this book, and I never read a Jhumpa Lahiri book, so I wanted to try. So thought maybe I can try with this book. Okay, so font size is quite small, and it's like throughout the book it's completely full. So I know it's going to be I will take more time in reading this particular book. So guys, somehow my camera stopped recording when I was talking about this namesake Jhumpa Lahiri book. So let me just tell you again the price in which I purchased it. MRP is 350 rupees, and I bought it for 156 rupees, and it's more than 50%. So that's the reason why I purchased this particular book, and this is my first Jhumpa Lahiri book. So I'm super excited to read it and look at the contents. Okay, so See, there are so many books which I purchased only because I was keeping eye on these books in 6 to 7 months, and the price was not going down of like below a particular threshold. So if in this sale the price was below that particular threshold, I purchase it. So that's the reason why I have so many books. Okay, there are 2 more packets which I unboxed when my camera stopped recording, so it won't be an unboxing, but I'll just tell you what's inside. This one contained a gift which I just can't show you right now because I know the person is going to see this video, and that's the reason why I don't want to open this packet in front of camera. What I can do, you can comment below what inside and I'll reply you, not reply, I'll send you a message, or you can send me a personal message or DM, or I'll update you what's inside. The second thing, I already unboxed it, but this is something which I purchased for myself. Actually I purchased everything for myself apart from this particular gift. But yes, I don't know whether you saw it or not, but yes, this is something which I thought it's costly, maybe I don't need it, maybe I can buy it from some other time. Then I thought, no, if I can spend so much money on books, then why not on this particular thing? So that's the reason why I purchased it. Let me show you. Yes, this is MI Smart Band 5. So I already have MI Band which is not a latest model, but upper than 2 or maybe 2. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that particular model, but I don't like using that band because it's quite outdated, or maybe I am bored with that. So that's the reason I thought maybe I can buy it. It's not a steal deal, but I purchased it for 1,999. Obviously it's 2,000, but I saw that the normal price of like regular price is 2,500 or 2,400, so I thought maybe I'll buy it this time. Look at it, it's quite pretty. I like it, and especially the charging. It's a magnetic charger. If you don't know, we can directly connect this charger with our band without removing the strap. So that's the reason why I purchased this one. So that's it, guys. This is my second part of unboxing. In second part we have 12 books. In first part we unboxed 16 books, and if I'm not wrong, there will be more 7 to 8 books, like somewhere between 5 to 10. It's on the way, so I think I bought more than 35 books. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and do let me know if you read any of this particular book, or you want me to read first any particular book, and maybe I can pick that particular that one. And yeah, yes, one more thing, what do you think, which one is the steal deal among these books, these 12 in part 2, or if any book I purchased too costly? I would like to know. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.